days 81 through 90 of the 100-day project. I can't believe that we're already at that point. I'm so excited. I got just 10 more days to go. I worked still in the same vein that I've been working in over the last, well, quite a few days, but shifted a little bit on these two and decided to use just scraps and pieces from my stash and just collage them onto the covers, the book covers. And if you're new, I'm actually doing 100 days of book covers where I'm working on old book covers and I'm painting, collaging, all the things. Now this trio here was done on one large piece of sketchbook paper, and then I cut the pieces down, and then I did a little bit of collaging on a couple of these. So they look similar, but they were all from one big, large, big piece of paper. So, all right, days 81 through 90 of the 100-day project.